Good morning, kids. Kids, as you know, nowadays we are talking about day or night. So, children, first of all, we will revise our poem. So, my dear kids, poem is like this. Sun shines on us by day, so we can grow in every way. Plants, animals, and birds too need the sun as me and you. So, children, let's revise. Sunshine on us by day, so we can grow in every way. Plants, animals, and birds too need the sun as we and you. Sunshine on us by day, so we can go in every way. Plants, animals, and birds too need the sun as me and you. So children, revise the poem every day. So my dear kids, we will revise today day and night. So I will ask some questions. So my dear kids, I have sun and moon here. So now, what we have to do, if the time is daytime, so I will pick up sun. और अगर नाइट का टाइम है तो आई विल शो यू मून. सो नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन डू यू ईट योर ब्रेकफास्ट? आप अपना ब्रेकफास्ट कब खाते हैं? कम ऑन, टेल मी द आंसर. यस, you eat it in the morning. Very good. Now, when do we wake up? हम कब उठते हैं? Yes, we wake up in the morning. Next is, when do you eat your dinner? Come on, tell me the answer. Yes, good job. We eat our dinner night time. Yes, dinner is night time. Kids, the sun gives us light and heat. With the help of the light, we can see everything. So, my dear kids, we can see aeroplanes during daytime in the sky. Okay. Now, children, we can play with kites at daytime. In rainy season, we can see rainbow also during daytime. We can see butterfly and bright sky during daytime. We can see, children, birds also during daytime. Now, children, moon gives us light during night time, and so many stars we can see in the sky during night time, and cloud also very dark we can see during night time. Cloud हम एकदम black सा दिखता है ना? Yes. And children, we can see owls and bats in night time. We can see birds in daytime na. Birds, owls and bats we can see during night time. So dear kids, take out here my first book of the world around me. Open the page number 10. So my dear kids, you can see here this part is divided into two parts. You can see one box and here another box. So what is written over here? Draw what you see in the sky during the day and at night. So my dear kids, just look at the window and what do you see out? You see sky. What else? Trees you can see, yes. Birds. What else? And you can see sun. Very good. So what you have to do here, you have to draw here a sun. You can draw here the sun. And what else you can see at night time, like moon, stars, owls, and clouds. So first of all we will be drawing here. So I am going to draw first of all sun. You can draw here the sun. Like that you have to draw. Circle, then small circle. These are eyes. Now children, bright cloud, or we can say sky, है ना? Now what else? And you can see kites also flying in the sky during daytime. So my dear kids, you can draw your favorite things which you can see during daytime. Here I am going to draw the moon and stars. You also can draw like that. Here curve and big curve, or we can say half circle, and two stars and dark cloud. So children, आप अपनी favorite चीजें दोनों में बना सकते हैं, that daytime as well as night time. So my dear kids, I'm going to color these things. So kids, this is daytime and this is night time. So color the sun with yellow color. Make it colorful. Yes. Now cloud is very bright. So I'm using blue color here. And kite is in red color. So my dear kids, you have to draw your favorite things according day and night time. And here children, moon also in yellow color, stars orange, and this cloud is very dark, so you can fill black color here, light black color, you can fill like that, तो आप अच्छे से देख पाएंगे. Okay, the cloud is very dark. Now you can see children how I have drawn. So you have to follow the instructions and draw like that. You have to draw your favorite things, okay? But according day and night. This part is day part and this part is night part. So children, revise your topic and you can do some picture reading also here. This is the sun, this is a moon, clouds, stars. And children, back side also you can see so many pictures here. Owl, sun, star, moon, sun, and here cloud. So my dear kids, complete your work. Be happy. Have a good day. Bye.